This will last me about 3 days because I'm a damn beast. Woo! My meal prep, usually I do it with chicken. I wanted to try some beef. My sister kept telling me to start eating more beef, even though it's the same, but you know, different cut. More of a steak and chicken guy, but playing with the beef. This is just beef, cheddar rice, broccoli, potatoes, honey, to a little bowl. Definitely a bulk meal. Don't eat this if you're trying to cut. Let's get it. Look crusty as hell. Just woke up, about to head to the shop, take a shower. Let's get it. Big day. It's the outfit of choice. Just a simple little black turtleneck. About to get myself a fresh cut. I need one. I'm woofing. Let's get it. I don't show people what car I drive. That's crazy how I still look good even without a haircut. I'm shaving the beard up today. Gotta look nice and professional. I'm gonna see y'all at the shop. Watch this transformation. It don't look like I'm woofing bad because I washed my hair and laid it down, but I'm woofing bad. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, we're gonna do a mid-fade, bald, shave the beard. Might keep this, I don't know. Shape up the mustache, real professional look, enhancements. Let's get it. YouTube, I'm crispy. I'm gonna wait for my client to get here. I'm about to clean up the studio, make sure it looks nice and presentable. I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on today. Real excited. All right, YouTube, I got my boy Teak in the building. I'm gonna give him a free cut. He pulled through for me. Yes, sir.
My guy.
Yes, sir. Let's get it. How you doing?
How you doing? All right. Excuse me, sir. How you doing? Are you well aware? I'm with the inquiry.
Yeah. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Likewise. So I'm going to just shoot around.
Got it. All right, guys, so the reporter, I'm not sure if you guys heard the audio. The reporter just came in, basically just took some pictures of me and my client. The cut wasn't even finished, but, you know, he just wanted some pictures. So basically, it's the Philly Inquiry, which is basically the biggest newspaper in Philadelphia, in my city. But yeah, pretty much it. He said the story should be out Monday. I'll try and pick up a paperback. I know my parents are gonna wanna see it. So yeah, we got a photo shoot at 4 o'clock. I just ordered some lunch from the cafe down the hall. I'm gonna finish polishing up this video. My editor, shout out my boy Lixit, he's my editor and my producer. He's about to send through, I have 2 editors. One handles like my vlogs and stuff, and then the other one, my vlog shorts, my boy Logix, vlog shorts, TikTok, and then my other one just does haircuts. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, this is the article. Title, no fade on prices. Philly barbers charging 100 and up. Let's get it. Basically, how it happened, how I got this opportunity. One of the journalists, Earl Hopkins, reached out to me and he was like, look, I'm trying to do a story, you know, on Philly barbers. I think he just joined the Philly Inquiry team. And if, for those of you who aren't familiar with the Philly Inquiry, that's like the biggest newspaper in Philly. It's like the mainstream newspaper. He said, look, I'm trying to do a story on Philly barbers. We've seen you, I believe he said he saw my TikToks, which drew his attention. Shout out to my editors, We've been working real hard on the TikTok side of things. We talk daily. We coordinate different things that will draw attention. So I can't even take full credit for this. But yeah, the opportunity presented itself and I took it. Then the following week he sent a photographer and they took pictures, and then I talked to Earl on the phone, which was where we pretty much did the interview where I answered all the questions. And he was just, you know, getting the story down. And then it dropped today. Let's get it. Thankful to God for this opportunity, for my family, for my team. As always, just the beginning. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hope you guys enjoyed this all over the place vlog. I don't even know what I'm gonna title it, but yeah, it's 4. I'm out. Peace.